as long as they are seeking their eternal nature, as long as they're seeking their ultimate possibility, we call them Sanatani. Because Sanatana does not mean a particular group of people, Sanatana means eternal nature. So, what is Hinduism? There is no such thing, there is no ism. People are trying to make it into a ism for survival purposes, unfortunately. But I don't fear survival, I only see a metamorphosis. Many people think I am not Hindu enough because I don't know I'm not doing any puja, I'm not doing any mantra, I'm not going here and there and doing what a Hindu is supposed to do. So what kind of a Hindu is he?